Hi, I'm now recording uh, Cost Accounting Unit 2, Part 5, I believe. I might have confused all the parts, but I'm thinking this is Part 5 and probably the final part of Unit 2, Cost Accounting Notes for the BCom CA students in the third semester. So in this particular unit, we are looking at purchase of material. Purchase of material. In a big organization, all purchases should be performed by a separate purchase department, usually known as purchase manager. Centralized purchasing are purchased by one department. In other words, all purchases should be purchased by purchase department to avoid duplication of efforts. Functions of purchase department: what to purchase, when to purchase, how much to purchase, and from where to purchase. Steps involved in purchase procedure: receive purchase requisition, which leads to exploring the sources of supply and selection of supplier, which leads to preparation and placing purchase orders, which leads to receiving and inspection of materials. So these are the 4 steps involved in purchase procedure. First, receive purchase requisition, followed by exploring the sources of supply and selection of supplier, followed by preparation and placing purchase orders, followed by receiving and inspection of materials. Okay, for some reason she repeats herself. Okay. Next we go to store of material or inventory records. Store or material or inventory records. This is the this is the heading. 2 important records of material received and issued are generally kept. 1. Bin card. 2. Store's ledger. Bin card. Bin means a place, rack, almirah, or that place where materials are stored. A bin card is usually kept in bin. BIN. It provides quantitative record of receipts, issues and balances of stock. It is maintained by store's keeper. Store's ledger. This ledger is kept in costing department. This ledger provides the information for pricing if materials issued. I think she means for pricing. I repeat. It's not if. Hold on. This store's ledger. This ledger is kept in costing department. This ledger provides the information for pricing of materials issued and the money value at any time of each item of stores. Stores department. The location of stores department should be carefully planned and it should be near to the receiving department in order to maximize the transportation costs. Issue of materials. Materials are received and kept in store carefully, and finally the storekeeper issues them whenever those are required for production department. Materials should be issued against proper authorization only. The objective of material issue control is to ensure proper utilization of materials. Material abstract. An analysis of various material requisitions, material returned notes, and material transfer notes should be made. A material abstract is prepared daily weekly, monthly to show net material consumed in each job during the period for which abstract is prepared. Pricing of materials issued. Methods used. There are three methods used for the pricing of materials issued. 1. Cost price methods, standard price method, and lastly market price method. So the three methods for pricing of materials issued are 1. Cost price methods, 2. Standard price methods, and 3. Market price methods. So with this we come to the end of Unit 2 of the Cost Accountancy Notes, and in the next set of videos I'll be doing Unit 3. Thank you.